Hey, what's good? Welcome back to English 12B with me, Mr. Engen. We are in week 8, so make sure that you check out week 8. And what you're going to be doing if you are at home or in class is making sure that every single day that we are here, we're doing our daily journals, Monday through Friday. And then you're just looking to see what we're doing every day. This week, my goal is to get us through episode 4, 5, 6. We're going to skip 7 and go on to 8 and 9. So by the end of this week, I want us to try to get to episode 9 with discussion questions. So basically just each day, come onto our Canvas page, check out week 8, do the journal, see what assignment and episode I assigned us, and just complete that work for this week. It is a simple week. Listen to that episode of a podcast, answer the discussion questions, which should be a Google Doc or a Google form. Sorry, not a Google Doc. It is a Google form, only a Google form. So fill out the Google form, hit submit. I just want you to have an answer, at least a sentence for each question. Simple, simple. If you have questions, send me an email or a Google chat, or just ask a question when you're in class. Really easy. Basically, journal, listen to the episode, answer the questions. Also, if you have time, answer and fill out that serial people map, where we're just putting a little detail for each person that is related to this crime. All right? If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.